Hey guys, it's Sham Abid here and you are watching Grooming Logics, and in this video I'm gonna do the complete review of Honor 8S, a budget friendly smartphone from Honor. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Well, starting with the physical overview first. To the right are the volume rockers and the power button. To the left is the SIM tray with a dedicated SD slot. At the top is a secondary noise cancellation mic with a 3.5mm audio jack. Bottom is a speaker grill, micro USB charging port and a primary mic. Now to the back is a 13 megapixel shooter with f1.8 aperture size and a single LED flash. On the front is a 5.17 inches of IPS LCD screen with a DV drop notch and a 5 megapixel front shooter with f2.0 aperture size and a primary speaker. Now one of the best thing about this device, which I personally like, is its EMUI version 9 based on Android Pie. Well, this device is powered with a MediaTek Helio A22 octa-core chipset based on 12nm technology, clocked at 2.0 GHz. And it has 2GB of RAM and 32GB onboard storage. Also, it has the latest Bluetooth version 5.0. Now let's talk about the security. Well, it doesn't have a fingerprint sensor to the back or on the front, but it does have a face unlock and it's quite impressive. Let me show it to you guys. As you can see, just with a click and it opens. Now let's try some games, starting with the PUBG first, as most of you people will like this game. Now let's see how it performs on MediaTek Helio A22. Set to low by default according to the system. Let's start. Okay. Now the device performance is quite impressive considering the price point, and one more thing, I have tried PUBG on lower settings and it runs quite smoothly, and also I tried Subway Surfer and that was flawless. I also tried several other games and they were able to run quite smoothly, and again at this price point, I mean, this device is a good performer. Now let's try another game, Subway Surfer. Now the battery capacity of the Honor 8S is 3020 mAh, which will last up to 2 days on normal usage, while on heavy usage it might last up to 1.5 days because of HD plus screen resolution and 12nm size technology. It's a plus point for its battery. Here are some of its battery statistics. As you can see, I have used this device for almost 1 hour and 15 minutes since its last full charge, and it's just consumed 5%. Now this device has a huge battery backup time and I'm quite impressed with this, and according to me it will last up to 2 days on heavy usage as well. At last but not the least, let's talk about its price. Well, the device was initially launched at the price of 18,999, almost 19,000, and now the price has been reduced up to 15 or 16,000, and with this price tag it's worth it. Now if you like my video, then please do hit the like button, comment, share and subscribe. Also, you have a democratic right to dislike this. Also press the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded on this channel. This is Sham Abed and I'm signing off. Catch you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.